Okay, we're almost through. I think I want to go through and lighten up some of my leaves. Let's see. And I also think I need to put a few, some more darks in the leaves, so just, a little more work needs to be done there. Let's see. Let's do this and this. And let me see, I will put, let's see, I'm going to use, first looking for a brush. Okay, I'm going to use the green mix and some of our yellow mix, and I'm going to brush mix those together on my palette. It's still kind of a low value, so let's get some more of the yellow mix. And I'm going to add some of the Naples yellow mix to lighten up. Okay, see there? Pretty good. Let's add a little bit of this Indian yellow, just for kicks, and that warms it. So I just really want to just kind of brush some here. And I think the addition of the Indian yellow is important because I don't want my highlights to look chalky. I want them to kind of be a yellow glow. And I'm just softening that in. I think maybe I could use a little more Indian yellow for a little more warmth. Put that on a little smaller area now. Yeah, that's more what I'm looking for. Okay, and then down here where I put the extender, I just want to lighten up these edges a little. So I'm using various size mops. Just lay the color in and then soften it with the mop and disperse it. But that is giving me the glow that I was kind of looking for. Is the kind of a mixing all three of those yellows together with some of the green mix, using the Indian yellow last so that you can warm it up. Sometimes you want to pounce, sometimes you want to stroke. Okay, and I also feel like I need darker darks on this set of leaves. So going palette shopping, let's see, we could, well, let's start with some pine green because it's darker than the green that we have mixed here, but I want to put a little of that green on my brush just so that there's a commonality in it. And we can put our dark gray. Then I'm going to put some of this the Rose Mix 4 because it's got red in it, and red and green are complements and they will darken each other. So I'll come out with something kind of dark, and if it doesn't happen to be dark enough, then I can put it in a little black, but let's try it. Well, I think I'd like to put a little more green in that. That looks to me just a little too gray. There we go. And this leaf right here, this is a lost edge. Let's experiment with putting a little black in this green mixture. I'm kind of going for the color that Delta and Americana have. It's called black green. That's kind of what I'm going for. I think that might do it. Okay, now I feel like I've got enough green and enough dark. There we go. Make that side of the leaf disappear. And this side of this leaf disappear. There. I'm more satisfied with that. Let's see. Over here on this leaf, I think I want to reinforce the dark here. Because again, we've got a lost edge. And we've got shadow underneath the tulip. I didn't put enough extender on there. Can't get the paint to move. Okay, so you can just kind of go around your painting doing little things like that here and there. While I've got this on my brush, do a little cleanup around here. Put a little more in here. Okay. Also, it wouldn't hurt to put some deeper darks in our rose, our center of interest rose. Kind of going around getting all the darks on the leaves that I want to reinforce, because I've got that on my brush. Just kind of scrumble that away into nothing. Same with that area right there. Just really going around and reinforcing these darks. Get the shadow leaves